What if a single moment could change the entire Earth? A force from space, falling without warning. And when it arrived, nothing could stop it. In the beginning, there was only silence.
Far beyond Earth, ancient fragments drifted through space. Guided by gravity, one of them found a path.
A path that led toward our world.
Falling faster, heating as it descended. And then, in a single moment, everything changed.
The ocean rose, not as waves, but as walls of water. A force of nature moving with unstoppable power. The coastline stood silent just before impact. Then the water came, and nothing could hold it back. Deep within the earth, pressure began to rise. Volcanoes awakened, releasing fire from below. The earth trembles as rivers of lava flow. The sky darkens. The ground trembled, then began to break apart. Even the mountains could not stand against it. Ash filled the sky, turning day into darkness. Fire spread across the land, consuming everything in its path. Life continued, unaware of what was coming. But the sky was changing and the signs were everywhere. Slowly, the balance of life began to shift. And the world moved closer to a moment of extinction. The sun disappeared, hidden behind a veil of ash. The sky grew darker with each passing moment. Without light, the world began to cool. Life struggled, searching for what remained. Even the giants could not adapt fast enough. Silence spread where life once thrived. And slowly,
An entire world disappeared.
The age of giants came to an end. Time moved on, quietly, patiently. And slowly, light returned to the world.
From the silence, new life began.
Fragile at first, but unstoppable.
The world was changing once again.
Balance slowly returned.
And a new chapter had begun. The planet survived, but it was never the same. A single moment changed everything. And yet, the universe moves on. What will the next moment bring? The world did not end. It changed.
From destruction came the beginning of something new.
Life returned in new and unexpected ways.
Stronger, adapted, ready to begin again. From space, it was just another moment.
A reminder that the universe never stops moving.
And somewhere, another story is already beginning.
The question is, will we be ready? From the silence of extinction, something new was about to rise. Created with the help of advanced AI tools and a passion for storytelling,